Today, we're going to share with you how to make our Trout Crab'acado. We'll start this dish by adding our avocado beurre blanc. The avocado beurre blanc is a creamy white wine sauce with lemon and fresh avocados from Mexico. Next, we will add our avocado and wild rice pilaf, made with a blend of wild and long grain rice, diced avocado, cranberries, pepitas, and a drizzle of maple syrup and honey. Next, we'll add our mix of roasted vegetables. This mix includes sweet potatoes, Brussels sprouts, zucchini, yellow squash, and onions, all baked with olive oil, salt, pepper, and a hint of maple syrup. Next, we will prepare our trout. Place your trout fillet flat on a clean work surface. Now we'll cover the fillet with a tightly packed layer of crab stuffing. This stuffing is made with fresh lump crab, butter, breadcrumbs, parsley, diced yellow and red bell peppers, lemon juice, and seasonings. We've used salt, white pepper, and cayenne. Place your trout fillet in a hot sauté pan with butter and sear on both sides until it turns golden brown. Place the crab-crusted trout directly on top of your plated vegetables, and you're ready to serve. Now you've got the knowledge to make your own Trout Crab'acado by Avocados from Mexico.
Avocados from Mexico.